industry, the stable operation of motors is crucial. So, today we will introduce a high-performance motor protection controller, the PMAC801A. The PMAC801A is an intelligent motor protection controller that integrates measurement, protection, and control functions. It is suitable for three-phase asynchronous motors with rated voltages of AC 380V or AC 690V, and rated current ranging from 0.5 amperes to 820 amperes. Our PMAC801A is widely used in various industrial scenarios like water pumps, fans, and compressor and more. Whether it's direct start, star-data start, or transformer start, our PMAC801A always provides reliable protection and control. The PMAC801A offers over 21 protection functions, including overload protection, short-circuit protection, ground fault protection, and leakage protection, ensuring motor safety under various abnormal conditions. It supports multiple start requirements, allowing users to configure settings flexibly based on motor start requirements. Additionally, the PMAC801A comes with 9 switch inputs and 5 relay outputs, catering to diverse control needs. Our PMAC801A Intelligent Motor Protection Controller delivers comprehensive protection and control for your motors with strong features and flexible configurations. Choose our products that are more efficient and safer for your operational equipment.